How to upload longer videos on your Instagram Reels. In this video, I will show you how you can upload longer videos on your Instagram Reels. So for that, just click on this plus icon on your Instagram. When you click on this plus icon, scroll here, and you can see there are many options. And at number 3, there are Reel options. Just click on Reel. When you click on Reel, now just click on videos. When you click on videos, now you can select more than one videos. For that, just click on this multiple selection option at the right side of the photos. Just click on this. Now select more than one videos and click on next. When you click next, again just click on edit video. When you click on edit video, now you can see there are two clips and you can upload up to 90-second videos. So just edit this clips. So what you want, first video or second video, just edit it according to your requirements. But keep in mind, you can now upload 90-second videos. You can see the timeline in your Instagram account here at edit option. There are 90 seconds. So you can upload 90-second videos. For that, you can upload more than one videos and can edit those videos. Now just click again, go back after editing and click on next. Now give your title, tags and all thing hashtags and just simply click on share. So now you can upload up to 90-second longer videos on your Instagram Reels and you can select more than one videos too.